Hello, future toppers. Welcome to a Streak initiative of Civis Delhi to ensure consistency in your day to day preparation. My name is Santosh Gupta and I will be taking up the prelim sections. When it comes to prelims, there are questions of three types, both factual, conceptual, and elimination type. And you have to use three-step process to solve the question. And of course, you have to do it within a minute. In this three-step process, you will analyze a statement for whether it is factual, whether it is conceptual, or you could eliminate it. So, without much ado, let's start. Topic of the day is parliamentary committee, forums, and state legislature. We'll solve the questions of the prelims based on these topics. First question on parliamentary committee. Which one of the following is the largest committee of parliament? This is a tricky question. And either you have to memorize the members in all committee or you can eliminate. So committee on public accounts. This one have to remember. That is 15 from Lok Sabha and 7 from Rajya Sabha. Committee on public undertaking, similar composition like committee on public accounts. Committee of petition is a small committee. So committee on estimate, which has 30 members, is the largest committee in the parliament. Next question on parliamentary committee. Consider the option about the public accounts committee and estimate committee. Both are standing committee. Yes, they are true. Both are standing committee existing, and we generally know that there are two types of committee: standing committee and ad hoc committee. So, Public Accounts Committee and Estimates Committee both are standing committees. PSC has more members than EC. We just got to know that PSC has 22 members and EC has 30 members. So, 2 will be incorrect. PSC has members from both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and EC has only members from Lok Sabha. So, that is true because Estimates Committee studied the demands for the grant of the department. While PSC examined the report of CAG, EC examined the estimates of it. That is true. So 1, 3 and 4 will be true here. Next question again on parliamentary committee. The report of Comptroller and Auditor General of India can be considered by joint session of both houses of parliament. We know that joint session has a very specific purpose, that is to pass the bill in case of deadlock. So the point is not true. Includes examination of income and expenditure of all PSU, public sector undertaking. That is true. So 2 is correct. Is placed for Lok Sabha with the comments of estimate committee? No. Only Public Accounts Committee study the report of CAG. It is called a Friends and Philosopher of CAG. So 2 and 4 will be the correct answer here. Consider the following statement about the department standing committee. They are also standing committee, and first they are 24 in number. So that is true. 16 in Lok Sabha and 8 in Rajya Sabha. So statement 2 will be incorrect. Number of members in each is 30. That is true, we just discussed. They examine the demands for grants and can propose cut motion. So first part is true. They examine the demands for grant and they cannot propose cut motion. So overall statement 4 is not correct. So 1 and 3, that is option C, is correct. Next question again on parliamentary committee. Consider the following statement about Joint Parliamentary Committee, JPC. You must have heard the JPC so many times. Again, is being demanded on the file and other scams. It is a standing committee of parliament. That is not true. It is ad hoc committee constituted time to time for special issues of public interest. So, statement 2 will be correct. JPC inquired before the scam. Yes, it was true. It also inquired stamp paper scam and also this again 2G spectrum scam. So statement 2 and 3 are correct and B option is correct. Next, a question on parliamentary forums. Parliamentary forums are like an informal forum between parliamentarians and minister of that particular department, and they are more open in their discussion than parliamentary departmental related standing committee. So the first parliamentary forum, Water Conservation and Management, was constituted in 2005. That is true. A Speaker of Lok Sabha is the ex officio president of all forums. That is not true. There is another forum of on population, that is headed by the Rajya Sabha chairman. Each forum consists of not more than 31 members. So that is 2. Provides an informal platform for members to interact with the ministry. So that is 2. So 1, 3 and 4 options D will be correct. Next topic is state legislature. With reference to the Legislative Assembly of State India, consider the following statement. Governor makes a customary address to the members at the commencement of first session of the year. That is true. When a state legislature does not have a rule on particular matter, it follows the Lok Sabha rule on that matter. Usually, state legislatures all have their own set of rules, and if they do not, they follow the parliamentary convention. That does not necessarily have to follow the Lok Sabha. So only one will be correct. Next question, again on the state legislature. If President of India exercises his power as provided under 356 of Constitution in respect of particular, that is Article 356 is President rule. Assembly state is automatically dissolved. That is not true. The powers of legislature of state shall be exercisable by or under the treaty of Parliament. Yes, that is the Parliament passes the budget and any legislation that is required for that state. So statement B will be true. But let's see how other are also not true. Article 19 is suspended in the state. That is only done in case of national emergency. President can make laws relating to the state. It is not the president, but Parliament can make laws relating to the state. So A, C and D are eliminated, only B is left with, that is legislature. Parliament will make laws for the state. Next question again on the state legislature. Consider following statement: an amendment to the Constitution of India can be initiated by an introduction of a bill in the Lok Sabha only. No. Amendment to the Constitution can be initiated either Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. That's discussed. If such an amendment seeks to make the change in the federal character of Constitution, amendment also required ratified by the legislature of all the states of India. This is not true. Only majority of states the ratification is required, and that also there is no time limit. So the statement neither one nor two is correct, and option D is correct here. Again, a question on state legislature. The function of each of the following bodies in India are limited to advisory in nature only. And the obvious answer will be Legislative Council, because even in case of common bills, Legislative Council can only recommend, and it is not binding to the Legislative Assembly. Its position is not similar to Rajya Sabha in the Parliament, because Rajya Sabha has similar power with respect to common bills in compared with Lok Sabha. So Legislative Council, that is option E, is correct here. Coming to next question, again on the state legislature, it is about the Legislative Council, and it is asking which of the following is not correct, that is incorrect. So we have to eliminate all the correct lines. 1/3 of its members are elected by local bodies. That is true. So here it will be not correct. President has the final power to decide about the composition. President does not decide the composition of Legislative Council. So option B will be correct here. Let's analyze other options also. It is not subject to dissolution. So like Rajya Sabha, it is also not subject to dissolution. So this is factually correct. Minimum strength of Legislative Council cannot be less than 40. This is also factually correct. So 1, C and D are factually correct. Hence incorrect here, and B will be correct here, because it is asking upon to choose incorrect option. Thank you for attending today's session.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update from Civil's Daily.